me close my data from the other one, otherwise it'll just all confuse me. This one says, do not round until calculation is complete, and then we're going to do 3 decimal places. Okay. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples? Select all that apply. So I think, no, let's see, a simple random sample, right?
Yeah.
And X bar, we assume to be normally distributed for each group.
Just A and B.
Yeah. Well, does the sample size have to be the same?
The same for each group. No, I don't think so. Because in this one, there's no pairing.
Oh, that's true. You're right. Oh, I think that's right. Okay, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples is a Z-score, T-score, F statistic.
I think F wasn't until 14, I think. So I think it's T still.
So I thought it was the T, but now I'm questioning that.
Test statistic for hypothesis comparing 2 means independent sample. Let's see.
I'm trying to figure that out. X is normally distributed as a sample. Okay, test statistic for hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples is T.
T, okay. Oh yeah, because if you go into the software, T is what it gives.
So 2 samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2, or knowing which subjects in group 1 tells you nothing. That should be that one, right?
Yeah.
Is there independent? Now I've got to pull out this dentist office bills one. Okay, so the degrees of freedom, would it be 20? Or is it not the same as before with the N?
I'm not sure. Plug it in.
This would go into the sample, 2 sample t-test, right? We're not in the paired sample test anymore?
Yeah, 2 sample. Yeah, because they're not paired. So type of test not equal to. No, the alternative is less than. So degrees of freedom, for me it says 37.996.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Is that the DF?
Yeah.
Okay. 30.996. So it's obviously not just N minus 1 anymore.
Oh yeah, something else going on there, but good thing they're doing it for us.
Exactly. Okay, what is the standard deviation for Rexburg? So Rexburg is variable 2. So standard deviation, do you have 206.637?
206.637, yes.
What is the test statistic? It's going to be negative 0.434.
Yep, that's what I got.
P-value 0.667.
So would this be a less than test or an equal to test?
Let's see, what are we looking for? This is less. Probably if the bill is less than the mean bill in Rexburg.
The p-value changes. If you put less than, you get 0.333.
Yes. It changed any of our other numbers?
No, it's the only number it changes.
Okay.
Which is good. So this is the only one that.
Yeah, I have to redo.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was our 0.10? So it's greater than alpha, so we're going to fail to reject, right? Or no, sorry, reject the null. No? Ah.
Alpha was.
Okay, so if P is greater than alpha, we're going to reject. We're going to say we failed to reject the hypothesis.
And the null, alpha is 0.1. Yeah, so it's above that for sure.
Yeah. So suppose instead that you had an alternative hypothesis of U1 does not equal U2, what is the correct decision? So now we need to change that back. Did not equal to. But it's still greater.
You still fell rejected. Different, so be.
And are we checking to see if they're different or the same? What's the? Is less than. I think it's going to be B, right? And that they're different.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Well,
okay, so now we've got to switch to the other data. Oh my gosh. Crumbs. Oh, in progress. Okay, continue quiz. I accidentally clicked on the link through the one I was taking the quiz on, and so it made my quiz disappear for a minute. I was like, no.
Yeah, that would not be.
Well, let's say I'm not going to be the one who submits it first this time, just in case.
All right. Okay, so.
Students of Colorado. So which one goes in our, does it matter which one goes in column A, which one goes in column B?
I don't think so on these ones because you're not like subtracting it anymore. This test during your section is correct. Null hypothesis says they're equal. So not equal to 95.
Okay. So what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? Yeah, it would be not equal to. The test statistic.
I got 0.45.
0.845?
Yeah.
What is the p-value? 0.411?
Yeah, that's what it says.
What decision do we make? Let's see here. It's greater than, so we're going to fail to reject, right?
Yep.
Right. Estimate the difference between U1 and U2.
Determine U1 minus U2. What the heck?
Value of non-helmets and all.
I don't get what this is wanting us to do.
Cells H23 and I23. HI23. So we have our confidence interval. I am unsure as well. So I'm just going to assume we look at what our margin of error, but I'm going to say that's what we got wrong last time. Oh, it doesn't give us the margin of error on here. Standard error of the mean. Oh, brother. Well, we just want to skip that one and we'll come back on the second round.
Yeah, that's good with me.
Okay, so input the lower bound is going to be negative 2.214. Upper bound, 5.147. And that's it. It's got to be something. I wonder if it's, do we add, I'm going to just try it by adding up the two standard error of means and dividing by 2. And just seeing if that's possibly the way to get the answer.
Yeah, might as well.
0.987. 1.428. So I'm going to say margin of error of 1.208. And we'll just see. If it's not it, then I'll know that's not the way to do it.
Alright. Alright, I'll submit it this time then. See how we did. Okay, let's see. 3's right, 4's right, 5's right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10's right, 11's right, 12's right. Okay, 13. Oh, 13 is just negative. Did you put negative? I might have just forgot the negative.
No, negative what?
13 is negative 0.845.
Oh, okay. So it's the right way to do it, just it needs to do it backwards.
Yeah.
Or made it needs to make it negative.
Yeah.
Well, at least that makes me feel a little bit better that we were semi-close to that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then what about 14? And
Okay. 14 was right. 15 was right. 16 is supposed to be 3.676.
okay, so nowhere close on that one. I still do not know how to figure that out. So I have to figure out how to figure out the margin of error.
Yeah. Okay. We got 17 and 18 wrong too, so we did something. It's probably supposed to change something. So 17 is supposed to be negative 5.142.
Negative 5.142.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 18 is 2.209.
Awesome. Yeah. 2.209. Okay, if you want to jump back on and I'll read you the answers on those. I'm going to try flipping the data maybe. And seeing if that gives us the other numbers. Why is my Excel being ridiculous? $2.214. So I got closer to those confidence levels, but still not exactly the same. Because I'm showing negative 5.147 and 2.214. By switching them. Interesting. Okay. So I'm going to submit mine. I'll read you these answers. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So 3 is A and B. Both of them. 4 is T-score. 5 is B. 6 is 37.996. 7 is 206.637. 8 is negative 0.434. And if I go too fast, just tell me. 9 is 0.333. 10 is fail. 11 is B. 12 is B. 13 is negative 0.845. 14 is 0.411. 15 is fail. 16 is 3.676. 17 is negative 5.142. 18 is 2.209. Okay, so I think I figured out what it is. We did have to switch them so that it was the opposite ones in those, because even though my answers are different on 16, 17, 18, if you click where it says hide feedback after you submit it,
Yeah.
it says the answer in the SPSS is slightly lower than in Excel. So the answer given is the average of the two results. So I think as long as our answer was close, supposedly we would have gotten it right.
Oh, that.
But I don't love that. That's not my favorite gamble, because so when I switched them and I did the second one in column A and the first one in column B, then I did get the right confidence level if she was just wanting them close. And it did give the right t-score of the negative 0.845.
Huh.
So the hard thing is, how do we know which one goes where?
There's nothing that said where to put them.
Oh, okay, it does. So it says let U1 represent the number of times from Colorado and U2 the number of times from Utah.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
So I just missed that paragraph. Okay, so yay, that one's done. Do you want to keep going and do number 14, or do you want to call it for today?
I'm good with whatever. I mean, we have them all due today, so we might
Yeah, might as well finish it out. I don't see. So yeah, I definitely don't want to try to scramble and do it at midnight tonight with everybody.
Yeah, that would be rough.
Okay, so 14. Okay, so I'm going to end this one and I'll start the next one.
All right.